So I just got this new Windows 10 build and I thought I would show you something that's pretty cool. So this is a hybrid device. This is a laptop. You can close the screen and it's a laptop, but you can also flip the screen around and it becomes a tablet. And the issue has always been with Windows, when you convert one of these hybrid devices into a tablet, you're still stuck with the standard Windows desktop. Windows 8 tried to make it more touch friendly, and now with Windows 10 there's been a big change in the way that Windows works. So the difference in the way that Windows works now is that when you're using a mouse and a keyboard, it's very well suited to the mouse and keyboard. There's no big icons in the way. Even the start screen's much smaller, and you can still touch the screen and launch apps and things like that, but you can see they open up in Windows now. So when you're using a mouse and keyboard, it's a lot easier to use, and it's just better for that desktop experience. The change that's happened with this new build of Windows is that it knows when you're converting into a tablet experience. For example, with the Surface, when you flip the keyboard back or you pull the keyboard off, it launches into a desktop experience, into a tablet experience. So I'll show you what happens with this specific device. When I flick the screen around, it recognizes this and it goes into a tablet experience. So we'll just go down into tablet mode now, and you can see that this is a tablet, and you notice that this went full screen. So now this is a completely full screen experience. The icons down here have actually changed. The start screen's completely changed. It's gone full screen. And now when I open up applications, see something that I can open up here. There's a weather app here. They open up full screen, and this is how you want things to open up on the Windows desktop when you're using it as a tablet. So you can do cool things like like Windows 8, I can drop that on the side, and then I can say, oh, I want to open this up on the left-hand side, and you can do two things at once. You can also change the size of things. It makes it very easy to use as a tablet. Now the cool thing is, when I open this back up again, we'll just open it up, okay, and we'll flick this back, and you see it's gone back to the desktop experience. So as soon as I start using my mouse and keyboard again, it goes back into this. Here. So you can see how much better it actually works. Instead of trying to make compromises and make it both good for touch and for keyboard, it actually does a complete change when you switch over into tablet mode. We'll just do it again. Open up the screen, and it goes into this full screen mode where it's all touch orientated. You can swipe in from the left, and you've got all your different applications which you can open up full screen. I've got Google Chrome here. So even desktop applications will launch in full screen. You can't actually minimize it anymore, but you can, we'll just flip it across here. You can drop it on the side if that's what you wish, and launch a second application over here if you like. Resize. Now it's much better for finger and touch. So that's just a quick look at the new build of Windows. I just thought it was really cool. You've also got a back button. There's a Cortana button here. You can talk to Cortana, see what's going on. You can say anything that you like, really. Remind me in 15 minutes to turn my laptop off. I think I've got the sound turned down, but you can see there, and I would just say yes or no for that to go in there. So that's really cool. You can ask it all sorts of things. And if I press back, it'll actually go back through the things that I was doing. So it works very much like a tablet should. Even things like that. It also rotates if we're lucky. No, I think I've got rotation turned off. There's a little button on the side. Auto rotate on. So now it rotates, and you can see that you can use it in any orientation. And yeah, when you open it up and go to use it as a laptop again, it goes back into this desktop experience. I think it's the best thing that's happened with Windows so far as hybrid devices go, especially when you can buy now Windows on a variety of different tablets, as soon as you plug a keyboard and mouse into these devices, it goes into this desktop experience. So yeah, I just thought it was really cool. Thank you.